In today's video, guys, I will be showing to you the first MOBA, okay, that is going to be launched on Android, iOS, and PC. And if you have played Wild Rift, Mobile Legends, then probably you have an idea on how this game will work. And in today's video, we're going to feature Thetan Arena, an esport game based on blockchain technology. And before we go deeper into this project, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so this has been developed by Wolfan Game, supported by Carja Chain. So Carja Chain hosts numerous games like My DeFi Pet, like Kaba, like Beko Swap, and there's a lot of games that are going on into that chain as well. And I believe it could be the next, or it could be better or bigger than Binance chain. So this is like the video teaser of Thetan Arena. So they are showing out how this game will actually look. So we can repeat it again for your reference. So you see here, so this is how it works. It's more like MOBA with a kind of 2D style of gameplay, which is also multiplayer, which is pretty much exciting for me too, because I mean, if you can be able to play this one, it is really enjoyable to play. And we can see that there will be a lot of people that will also play in terms of competitive in Thetan Arena. So the gameplay is designed to revolve around the combination between your personal skills and teamwork. Since MOBA is a 5v5 or even 10v10, it requires teamwork and also some some mechanics as well. So the game mode consists of MOBA and Battle Royale, coming with monthly updates and attractive rewards. Okay, so the NFTs item are this. So earn your NFTs item by playing the game and sell it on the marketplace to make money. So of course, this is how it works in NFTs. If you have an NFT, you probably know that NFTs are stored in a decentralized blockchain. So there is actually a proof that you own it. And since this is a play to earn, every NFTs has its own use case. And the rarer the NFTs are, the more expensive it is. Of course, there should be some upgrades or power ups or skill sets that are limited into that NFT. But what makes it valuable is the amount of how many are these kind of NFTs are in circulation and stuff. So I'm just explaining to you the concept of how NFTs are having value into the market, and this is what happens here. Okay, so let's now talk about Thetan Coin. Okay, I think it's very important for a lot of people to know what are the coin. Okay, what is its use for? So Thetan Coin is their own or main in-game currency, which they can achieve by playing game modes and participating in many other activities like this is free to earn. So you will be able to get it via special events, battle pass, ranking rewards, some quests. So this is more like a quest when you are keep on playing. Okay, there will also be a guild war and tournament. So you can exchange this, you can also trade it, or you can also open your own Thetan box, which it has like a specific number of items that you could probably get inside. Okay, so Thetan Gem now is an exclusive currency that makes players become investors. Okay, so they make it clear that Thetan Coin is different from Thetan Gem. So this one is exclusive. This one is you can achieve this by playing game modes. Okay, so how you will be able to get Thetan Gems? You will I think this is more like the use case scenario of Thetan Gem. So you will be able to use it to evolve your heroes, to use it for staking. So if you haven't heard anything about staking, it is where you put your coins or any money into a lockdown, or you're just putting it aside, and you're going to get a rewards based on how much you're holding it and based on what they are giving into your staking. So again, it is free to earn. you will be able to use it into the market as well. And let's now talk about the core team. I think this is very important that you should know every single stuff that are what do you call that are belong into this kind of project. And of course, as you can see here, Tripam is also a blockchain advisor here, which is also a CEO and co-founder of CardioChain and MyDeFi which is very important that they have it into their advisory board, because it will assure that this project won't go to waste, and they will also Trifam probably will also help them in terms of decision making process. Okay, so Kan Nguyen is the CEO and also the head of game design of Thetan Arena, which is the CEO of Wolfan Game and also former CEO of Bika Solutions. So this is what I actually see on every project in CardioChain. Okay, they are probably the CEOs. They are probably like the owners of this game companies that is being existing maybe in Vietnam, because I haven't heard Wolfan Game. And you can see that they are actually dedicated. They are taking their skills from the gaming stuff, from centralized stuff into a decentralized stuff, which is very important and also really challenging for them, since this is really new. This is very new, very fresh, and also there are still a lot of things that can be done in the blockchain as well. Okay, so this is now the roadmap that we can expect from Thetan Arena. So you can see that from the Q3 2021, they've just accomplished the first milestone, which is the alpha test, which is the IGO of Thetan Gem and also NFTs Heroes. Now for the Q4 2021, which is like in today's quarter, beta test will be also launching, and the official launch will also be happening in some special events and hero rental. Now for the Q22, there will be a guild, cosmetic system, and 42 players battle royale. For Q2 2022, pet system will be released. Guild quests are also going to be released as well, and the staking will be available. So you can now use your gems at Q2 2022, which will happen I think April to June 2022. Okay, for the Q3 2022, co-op modes will be released. Guild Wars and streaming will be also be launched as well. Now for the Q4 2022, which is exactly next year, okay, at almost this same month, tournaments will be launched, battle pass will also be available, and the donate system will be open as well. And for the quarter 2023 to the beyond, there will be monthly content, offline event, and live ops that will be happening. So you can see the developers is Wolfan Game, and they have a lot of investors and partners behind this project, which includes Animoca Brands, Axie 8 Ventures, Everest Ventures Group, Hardia Ventures, Spark Digital Capital, Formless Capital, Mass, AU120 Capital, GFS Ventures, K300, and other stuff as well. So actually, this is more like the white paper. This is more like a one-page white paper that you should need to know about Thetan Arena. And if you want to learn or you want to buy some NFTs, you can directly buy it here. Just log in with your MetaMask. So you need to switch into your BSC network. So you will connect it here. So let me just show it to you real quick. So click the next button. Okay, so after that, you just allow this site to switch the network, and then of course you need to create your game account. So in my case, I'm going to create myself as well. So let me just open my email as well. So this is how you will be able to create your account rather in Thetan Arena. So there will be a 6-digit code that will be sent, right? So it is 750866. So let's just create the account. So we just need to link the wallet address at last for you to confirm this process. Okay, so you can now log in. After that, you just sign in, and now what you just need to do is just have a just have a BNB into your address, into your wallet, and you're probably good to go in here. Okay, so probably here some of the items here are pretty much selling like really expensive, but I think it is pretty much worth it, especially when the game has launched. Okay, so this is how you'll be able to learn or how you'll be able to participate in Thetan Arena, and this is a brief overview about the project. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on the next video.